Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71. The Z71 is of course our off-road package. Sorry. And it really kind of ups the off-road capabilities of this vehicle. You can see the front end is much more raked up to increase your approach angle. Nice skid plating, tow hooks and winching points. I personally love the Z71 styling, especially in the front end design. Of course, with the normal Tahoe, it's much more brought down. You come down and then up. So it's not really an off-road vehicle, so to speak, and this just really ups everything. You have some nice metal, high-quality running boards, which would be good, like if you're on rocks, that will scrape and it won't just break off. Also have Beefier Tires. The ride height's increased a little bit. While still having plenty of room out back. Powered by the 5.3 Ecotech V8 that's found in all your Silverados and stuff like that. Black over jet black, 5.3 V8, 10-speed automatic. This one doesn't have any options on it. It's the Z71 as it's put. Hill descent control, tons of stuff for a total price of $60,495, including destination. Now that's before any rebates and stuff like that. I just love the front end of this thing. It really makes the Tahoe really distinctive. And it's basically, I consider this like a Raptor SUV. That's kind of, I mean, it doesn't have the straight line speed of a Raptor, but it still is not slow by any means. And you have the sound of a V8, which the Raptor does not have. 2 USB-C charging outlets. And of course, nice and easy to get in and out. Do love the blacked out badging. We'll be driving it in sport mode. All right, let's go ahead and head out on the road. The 10-speed, oh, it's fantastic. One of my favorite transmissions on sale today. I do love the refreshed interior. It's very, very Range Rover-esque, and that is such a compliment. Brake pedal is awesome. Super easy to place on the road too. I have the seat in its lowest setting. You can still see the hood with the hood bulges, so it's really, really easy to place on the road. Steering feel is actually phenomenal for the segment. Especially in sport mode, you can tighten up the steering a little bit, and it really makes a world of a difference. Due to the increased sound deadening found in the Tahoes, you don't really hear the off-road tires all that much. Of course, this is the quietest it's gonna be. Radio off, stock exhaust, climate control on its lowest setting. I mean, the blower speed, I mean. So, you can't really hear the tires on the road. That's very, very rare for tires such as these. Oftentimes, you'll get a roar. And same's true on the highway, too. We were just doing highway speeds back there, and I can easily talk over it. That takes a lot of engineering to find a tire that can do that, and Chevrolet did it. You know, there's millions of dollars that go into developmental test mules and finding the right tires for the car. That's why I like to keep the OE, or as close to the OEM tire as I can on my personal cars, just because the vehicle was designed to have that tire. Of course, if you want to take it to a track or something like that, you can increase the stickiness of the tire, but for a street car, really not. The way the car was designed was with this tire in mind, and that is what I would keep on my cars. Well, except if you have like a Camaro Z01 with pure summer tires and you live in, you know, I don't know, New Hampshire, where it snows, then don't run snow or summer tires in the snow. Obviously use dedicated tires for extreme circumstances, but all in all, I love it. This is probably my favorite Tahoe on sale. It has all the features that I would ever need on a day-to-day basis, and has way more capabilities than I would ever require, and it just looks the part. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.